Good morning, class. In previous topic, we learned about the social and political causes of 1857 revolt and the condition of kings and the nawabs. So, in this topic, we know the religious causes and the condition of peasants and sepoys. Why they took participate in this revolt and what was the reason behind of this. So in previous chapter we learned that in the countryside peasants and jamidars resented the high taxes and the rigid methods of revenue collection. When they failed to pay back their loans to the moneylenders and gradually lost the lands they had tilled for generation, or you can say they lost their lands, they lost their soil fertility. Okay, so here the peasants were unhappy. Okay, come to the sepoys. The Indian sepoys in the employ of the company and also had reasons for discontent. Okay, they were unhappy about their pay, allowances and conditions of service. Okay, some of the new rules moreover violated their religious sensibilities and belief. Religious sensibilities and beliefs. So, do you know that in those days many people in the countries believe that if they cross the sea or ocean, they would lose their religion and caste. Okay, so once time when in 1824 the sepoys were told to go to Burma by the sea routes to fight for the company. Okay, after that they refused to follow the order. बेटा उन्होंने क्या कर दिया, जब मना कर दिया, दे रिफ्यूज टू फॉलो द ऑर्डर. जब उन्होंने मना कर दिया तो कंपनी ने क्या किया, पनिशमेंट दिया. ओके, कंपनी ने क्या किया, पनिशमेंट दिया. एंड आफ्टर दैट sepoys also reacted to what was happening in the countryside. Many of them were peasants and had families living in the villages. So the anger of the peasants quickly spread among the sepoys. Okay, so here given the another example, and it was the main causes of this revolt. Okay, so in 1856 the British government introduced a new rifle called the Enfield rifle for the army. The rifle had a greased paper attached around the cartridge. Okay, the rifle had a greased paper attached around the cartridge. In order to load the rifle, the sepoy had to bite off the paper with his mouth. Okay, in 1857, a humor spread that the grease cartridge was made of the fat of pigs and cows. ओके, उन्हें ये पता लगा कि जो कार्टेज है वो किससे बना हुआ है, काऊ के और जो क्या कहते हैं पिग्स के फैट से बना हुआ है. ओके, तो उससे बना हुआ है. सो दिस डीपली हर्ट द रिलीजियस सेंटिमेंट्स ऑफ बोथ द हिंदूज एंड मुस्लिम. अब ये हिंदू और मुस्लिम दोनों के लिए क्या था बेटा, बहुत ही डीपली उनको सेंटिमेंट किया, उनके रिलीजियस को क्या हुआ, बहुत ही उनको सेंटिमेंट किया. सो द sepoys रिफ्यूज टू यूज द न्यू राइफल्स एंड डिसाइडेड टू रिवोल्ट. ओके, आफ्टर दैट sepoys ने क्या उसको मना कर दिया यूज़ करने के लिए और ये डिसाइड किया कि हम क्या करेंगे बेटा, इसके अगेंस्ट रिवोल्ट करेंगे. ओके, सो दिस इंसिडेंट गेव द नेसेसरी स्पार्क टू द फायर ऑफ एंगर एंड दिस कंटेंट बर्निंग इन द हार्ट्स ऑफ इंडियंस. ओके, यहाँ पे इंडियन पीपल को बार बार यही लग रहा था कि ये हमारे धन, जो हमारा रिलीजन है, हमारे धन को क्या कर रहे हैं, डिस्ट्रॉय करना चाहते हैं, उसको नुकसान पहुँचाना चाहते हैं. ओके, सो एवरीवन फाइट फॉर द ब्रिटिश. हर कोई ब्रिटिश के साथ क्या करना चाहता था, वॉर करना चाहता था, फाइट करना चाहता था. किसी को भी उनकी पॉलिसी अब समझ में